Want to learn how to invest in the stock market and make some money on the side too? Then keep on watching. Hello, hey, what is going on? What is good, you beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I am Ashley K. I specialize in videos on lifestyle, money making tips, but most importantly, most essentially, most exponentially, I show you how to live your best budget friendly life. Okay, you guys, we get you all the way right when it comes to money making apps, money making tips, everything you want to know that has to do with that green, that good. We get it all the way together on this channel. If you are interested in making some money, learning some new things, be sure to hit subscribe to the channel. You should already be subscribed. While you're watching, that bell should have already been clicked so you get notified when I post new videos, and go ahead and join the fam. I mean, why not? This is a very fully beneficial channel. You can learn a bunch of new things on this channel, and you're always learning new apps, everything. I make sure I research and do my best to find what can get you all the way right. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and also follow me on my socials as well too. You definitely want to follow me on social media. And yes, that's everything. That's everything. I have to do my little spiel in the beginning just so you can get to know me and I can get to know you. Now that we got that all out of the way, let's get into why you came here to. So yes, you guys, we are going to be talking about a new money making app that actually teaches you how to invest in the stock market and has contests and games every week, and you can actually win real money, real cash prize money, on this app. So the app that I will be talking about today is called Fantasy Invest. You guys, this app is an absolutely free app, free in the iTunes and Android store as well too. So anybody that has a phone basically can get this app, and you should be getting this app as soon as I'm talking to you guys. It's absolutely free, and I want to tell you why this app is so lit. So this app is an absolutely risk-free app, you guys. So what risk-free means is you're not spending any real money on this app. It's actually teaching you how to invest in the real stock market. They're using this way of risk-free management and teaching you how to invest in the stock market, you guys. So how the app works is it basically gives you games throughout the week. So you basically join in on games. Sometimes the games start in they're an hour-long game, they're a 30-minute game. What you do is you pretty much click the best 5 stocks that you want to work with and enter the stock market with, as if you would in the real stock market. You're always choosing your best stocks and companies that you think will do well, and these are companies that you know, like companies like Netflix, PayPal, Walmart, Tesla, like all the major companies that are in the stock market. They're also on Fantasy Invest as well too. So they try to make it real lifelike and real realistic, so when you do actually decide to invest in the stock market with real money, you already know what you're doing, you guys. And I don't know about y'all, but I have been trying my hardest to learn about the stock market, but it just has been so boring, and I have been trying to learn new apps and starting to use different apps about the stock market, and a lot of them are pretty boring and pretty repetitive. But for some reason with Fantasy Invest, they make it so easy for us to understand what's going on, how you're doing it, and they're doing it in a way of games. Like it doesn't even feel like you're investing. It honestly feels like you're just playing a game, like Candy Crush or something on your phone. They make it super fun for you and super simple for you to understand how to do this. You guys, this app is super simple to understand. They make it very easy for you to play these games and learn new things about the stock market. They also even quiz you on certain games too. Like you'll have certain quizzes that will come up and will ask you quizzes like, what is the best stock to invest in for cars or something, and then they'll give you like 3-4 different companies, and then one of the answers will be like Tesla, and then you would go ahead and pick that, and then you win points doing that. So it's very easy and very simple to understand, you guys. So that's one of the things about me. I'm a simple gal. I need something simple. I don't need you to be confusing my mind and telling me all this stuff. So it's a very easy and beneficial way to actually learn how to get in the stock market, and this is all fake money. So basically what Fantasy Invest is fake money. You're investing in the stock market so you can learn how to work in the stock market, and then once you play the games and you earn coins, you can actually redeem that for real cash real money. Okay, so I don't know where they do that at, but you guys definitely have to jump on this app because it's really dope, and it even gives you chances to win gift cards to like Starbucks, Netflix, whatever you're thinking of. They pretty much give you options to even win gift cards as well as money. So like I basically said, okay, this is where it gets good. Okay, not only are you learning how to win money, you're learning how to invest in the stock market with fake money. They also have weekly, daily contests. Daily contests are being run where you can enter to win cash prizes. You can also compete with your friends too, okay, you guys? So you can also do like a friend group where you guys can all compete and one of y'all can win the cash prize. And this is a really cool way to actually earn real cash prizes and gift cards. And you can also invite your friends on the app too. Y'all can play together and kind of teach each other ways to kind of win. So it's a really cool app to actually use and kind of share with your friends, because who doesn't want to win daily cash prizes and learn how to invest in the stock market? Okay, that's how you get that big money. And if you're trying to get to that big money, okay, and you want to learn like how I'm learning, you definitely want to start somewhere where it makes it super simple and easy for you to actually start to understand the concepts and how the stock market works. And it's such a big concept, the stock market, okay? So I like how this app actually makes it super simple for us to understand what to do and where to go and how to actually invest. This app has tons of little perks I have not even begun to figure out, you guys. Like, this app has tons of different games, tons of different perks. They're always running a game. Every time you open up the app, there's always a new game to enter into. So this app is very cool. Like, you will never get bored because there's always a new game being run. There's always a new daily contest happening. There's always something going on this app. So you, even if you spend 10-15 minutes on this app, or even you can play the hour-long games, there's always a chance to win money. So I'll just give you guys a basic little rundown of how the app actually works. Basically, when you download the app and you open it up, you'll see like a whole list of games being offered and people waiting to start a game or something like that. So basically what you do is when the game starts, you basically choose the 5 best stocks that you would go into the stock market with. So the 5 best performing stocks that you want to go into this game with. So these stocks are obviously a representation of the stocks that you would generally pick when you are entering the stock market for real. So you obviously want to pick stocks that will do really, really well in the stock market, like probably Amazon or Tesla or things like that. They will obviously give you options to the stocks that you would pick. And then obviously at the end of the games, or the end of the weekly game, the person with the highest stocks or the highest performing stocks is the person that wins all the coins and can redeem those coins for actual cash money. Okay, so yes, that's basically how it works. That's basically a simplistic kind of understanding of how the app works. If you guys want a more detailed video or a more detailed kind of information, I can definitely sit down and kind of do a little demo if that's what you guys would like. But you guys, like I said, it's honestly so easy to understand. And even if you don't understand what's going on, actually Fantasy Invest has their own YouTube channel that you can actually watch as well too, and they actually have little short videos on how to actually maneuver the app and kind of understand it. So you guys can also check them out. I will link their YouTube channel down below if you need further explanation. But honestly, you guys, it's really simple and easy to understand, and it's so easy to win like cash prizes and coins. Like, I've been racking up the coins, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and share with y'all a way that you can actually win and actually get coins on this app and actually start. It's a great way to invest free money. Like I said, it's risk-free. It's not your own money that's going into this app. You're not paying any money up front. You're using fantasy coins and fantasy money to win real money. Okay, you guys? And obviously that is not the concept for the stock market. You will be investing your own money, but this is just a way for you guys to gain some knowledge before investing your money in the stock market and potentially losing money or potentially making a wrong move. When you go into the stock market, it's gonna move really, really fast, so you kind of have to know what exactly you're doing and what to do. So this is a great way to kind of learn on the back end before you actually go to the big dogs and spend real money, you guys. And then you can actually win real money while playing with fake money. Like, what kind of concept is that? Like, so I had to go ahead and put y'all onto this because I think that is so cool that they have an app that actually does this, and you actually win real gift cards, real cash, okay y'all. And there's always a chance to win because there's weekly games, there's daily cash prizes, there's so many things going on this app. It's so many new things going on too because it's continuously updating. So I think this is super dope and a super app that I want to go ahead and share with y'all before, like I said, you know, like I always say with the apps, there's gonna come a time where they get popular. When they get popular, they might get shut down, okay you guys. So you want to go ahead and squeeze that dollar out of this app, squeeze whatever you can, win all the games, y'all. Okay, I want my budget family to clean this app up, okay you guys. So go ahead and learn everything you have to know about this app. Super easy to learn, maneuver, and win some cash, y'all. Win some money, real gift cards, okay y'all. Why not? So yes, you guys, that's everything I wanted to share with y'all. I will link the app as well down below so you guys can go ahead and check the description box for everything else that you need to know about the whole app. And like I said, this is an investment learning app, so you're going to learn how to actually invest in the stock market moving forward, okay you guys. So these are tips that you're gonna have to take and learn and actually take note of this. I was actually taking notes when I was playing these games and, you know, actually maneuvering the app, because obviously when I do invest in the stock market and when I want to go ahead and invest in the stock market, I want to know what sis is doing, okay? I want to know what I'm doing. I don't want to be losing no big money, y'all, okay? So definitely check this app out. It's great for your knowledge too. Like, it's a great knowledge kind of app to learn things and have fun while doing it, and invite your friends to play as well too. So if you have a friend group, you guys can definitely do this together. So I think it's a really cool app to do it, especially in quarantine, you guys. We don't got nothing else better to do than play games, okay? So you guys have lots of time to sit down on your phone and play this game and check this out, okay? So that's everything I wanted to share with you guys. Like I said, check the description bar for all the information. If you have any more questions, be sure to leave it in a comment below. And I am thinking about doing a video coming up, probably about starting a business or, you know, business tips. If you guys wanted to learn anything about that, that will be a video coming soon to the channel. So be sure to be on the lookout for that video as well. Make sure you follow me on all my socials as well. Be linked down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey you guys, before we exit the video, I actually wanted to give you guys a brief overview of how this app actually looks. So when you actually download the app, this is the screen that you will be taken to, and as you guys can see, it shows you the games that are running for the day, and it shows you that the games can run from an hour, 2 hours, sometimes 30 minutes, sometimes 8 minutes. So those are the games, and that's the brief overview of how the screen would look. And then as soon as you go to your account, you can see that you can invite friends to join the app. So like I said in the video, you can invite friends to join the app, and these are the rewards that you can actually win. So I know y'all see that once you gain points, you can win rewards, and rewards are the iPhone 12 Pro, AirPods, Netflix gift cards, Apple gift cards, Amazon gift cards. So this is a really legit app, you guys. Like, you can actually win real rewards with your points. So I think that is super dope, and these are all stuff that I would use. And as you guys can see, these are like the top players for the week. So when you become a top player, it will actually have a screen that shows you the top players that go up, and then you can see you guys who are winning and whoever is winning the games and who's ranking really high right now. And these are the stocks that you guys will be buying money or using your rewards to put in the stock market. So as you guys can see, they're all companies that we know. So McDonald's, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, like pretty much everything that we know. And it's all based like how the real stock market is. So like these are all companies that you will be paying into the real stock market. So I think this app is super dope. So you definitely want to go ahead and download this app. But I just want to give you guys a little rundown on how the app looks. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one.